Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best faucet handle is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of your home's plumbing system, silently ensuring that you have control over your water flow for everything from watering your garden to washing your car. When this seemingly small part begins to falter, it can lead to frustrating drips, leaks, or even a complete inability to turn the water on or off, disrupting your daily routines and potentially causing water damage if left unaddressed. This is why choosing the right replacement is essential for maintaining the functionality and integrity of your outdoor water access. Number 5. Danco 10006 Outdoor Faucet Handle. Is your outdoor faucet broken, worn out, or leaky? This handle is the perfect solution for repairing your outdoor faucets. With an inner square hole measuring 0.26 inches, it's compatible with most standard outdoor faucets. Enjoy a secure and reliable fit. This larger, rounded wheel handle is designed for ease of use and comfort. It's much more comfortable than traditional spigot handles. Crafted from durable metal, it resists rust and corrosion. You can count on reliable performance for years to come. Installation is simple. The pack includes screws and adapters for a hassle-free setup. What we like. This handle offers a larger, more rounded wheel for comfortable use, making it a great choice for those who struggle with traditional, smaller handles. Its durable metal construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, especially for hands that might have difficulty gripping, this is the one to consider. What people say. It came with all the necessary parts and only took a few minutes to install. Good quality product and would buy again. There are multiple different configurations that you can put it in to fit whatever shape your spigot may be. This item, the handle as well as the fittings, is entirely solid cast metal and seems super durable. After a little over a year with almost daily use, this is still in perfect shape. Happy to have found a good product that was built to last. Number 4. LASCO 01-5105 Metal Faucet Hose Bibb Handle. This is a durable metal replacement handle for your outdoor faucet. It's designed for easy and simple use, ensuring a long-lasting fix. Fix that broken handle today with this essential part. It's specifically designed as an outside faucet replacement handle. Featuring a convenient round wheel handle, this part offers a comfortable grip. Its design makes operation straightforward. The 16-point spline ensures a secure fit for your hose bib. This precise fitting is key for reliable performance. This product is manufactured with quality in mind. It's built to provide a reliable solution for your faucet needs. Enjoy an easy and simple to use kit for your faucet. It's the perfect solution for a quick and effective repair. What we like. Featuring a 16-point spline, this handle ensures a secure and precise fit on your faucet stem. It's made from durable metal for longevity. If you're looking for a reliable replacement with a specific spline count for a tight fit, this option provides that assurance. What people say. Arrived on time and fit as it should. Handle was easy to install and fit very well. It has the right number of 16-point splines, which is the tough feature to find, the right 1/2 diameter, and it's very sturdy. Number 3. Prier 630-7965 Wall Hydrant Handle Kit. Introducing the Prier 630-7965 Wall Hydrant Handle Kit. This essential kit includes a handle and screw, designed for a perfect fit. It is engineered to seamlessly fit all series of Mansfield frost-free wall hydrants. You can rely on its compatibility for your existing setup. Crafted from high-quality materials, this handle kit is built for exceptional durability. It's made to withstand the test of time and frequent use. Proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship. You're investing in a product made with care and precision. The included components make for straightforward installation. Enjoy a reliable and long-lasting solution for your wall hydrant needs. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to fit Mansfield frost-free wall hydrants, ensuring compatibility and a perfect match. It's made from high-quality, durable materials and manufactured in the United States. If you own a Mansfield frost-free wall hydrant and want a guaranteed fit with a product known for its quality and domestic manufacturing, this is your best bet. What people say. OEM spec product and easy to install. Super strong plastic part, perfect fit, looks like new. This was a perfect replacement for a broken Prier spigot. Number 2. Woodford Wall Hydrant Repair Kit RK 14mH. Introducing the Woodford Wall Hydrant Repair Kit, designed for models 14 and 18. This kit provides everything you need for a reliable repair. Specifically engineered for compatibility with Woodford models 14 and 18. Ensure a perfect fit for your existing installation. This repair kit is designed for straightforward installation. Get your hydrant back in working order quickly and efficiently. Crafted with high-quality materials, this kit ensures long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand regular use and various weather conditions. Don't let a faulty hydrant disrupt your water supply. This repair solution will restore full functionality to your Woodford hydrant. The RK 14mH model is your go-to solution for essential repairs. It's the reliable choice for maintaining your wall hydrant. What we like. This is a dedicated repair kit specifically for Woodford models 14 and 18 wall hydrants. It provides the exact parts needed to get those specific models working again. If you have a Woodford model 14 or 18 and need a precise repair solution, this kit is essential. What people say. Rebuild your frost-free outdoor faucet and save a bunch. Stops the leaking from around the handle for cheap. Doesn't require a lot of skill and is very intuitive. Works beautifully. I was afraid I would have to replace the old Woodford faucet that came with a house, but this did the trick. Fits great and stopped the leak from my outdoor faucet immediately. Strongly recommend as a way to properly seal the faucet. Number 1. Arrowhead PK1290 Replacement Oval Handle. Introducing the Arrowhead PK1290 Replacement Oval Handle. This durable handle is designed for a perfect fit. It's engineered to work seamlessly with most Arrowhead frost-proof hydrants, flanged sill faucets, and garden valves. Crafted with quality in mind, this handle ensures reliable performance for your plumbing needs. Proudly manufactured in the United States, you can trust in its superior craftsmanship. This replacement handle is designed to meet your specific requirements, offering a practical solution. Its ergonomic oval design makes for a comfortable grip and straightforward installation. What we like. This replacement handle features a distinctive oval design and is compatible with a wide range of Arrowhead frost-proof hydrants, flanged sill faucets, and garden valves. It's also manufactured in the United States. If you appreciate a classic oval handle shape and need a versatile option that's made domestically, this is a solid choice. What people say. Fits and works great. Perfect replacement. Well worth the price. Easy to install, meets my expectations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.